I can't believe this day has finally come where I become your wife. I want to take a moment to let everyone know, friends and family, what you and our relationship means to me.
They say life is a book of memories, and today is the day I've been waiting for my entire life, for this new chapter to start. And for me, the most exciting part of this chapter is that today, in front of our families and friends and God, that we are making these promises to each other. So Sandra, here are my promises to you. I promise I will always love you, honor you, and cherish you, and be faithful and loyal to you.
In you, I find a gentleman, a caring soul, a lover, but most importantly, my best friend. A person that I can wait to get home to tell him everything about my day. A person that with a simple smile and or a silly joke makes my day a lot brighter. A man that even on my craziest idea, which there are many, will support me and encourage me to pursue them. In you, I found a home for my heart. I promise that from this day forward, I will continue to love you unconditionally, and you shall not walk alone. I promise to always laugh with you and to never go to bed angry, and to comfort you in times of sorrow, including the rough New York Jets seasons.
I promise to always respect you and listen to you, even when you're wrong. And I promise to share every part of my life with you, except for the remote control on my side of the bed. I can't wait to start this incredible journey with our new life with you, Eric, Alex, and Sean, and of course our 2 dogs, and all the adventure that God has in store for us. And today, I feel like I'm the luckiest man in the world because I get to marry my best friend, the woman I love because she's beautiful, she's strong, she's adventurous, and she's the best person that I know.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, family and friends. Thank you so much for being with us on this very special occasion. I am Reverend Nadir, and it is my honor and distinct pleasure to officiate this wedding ceremony for our beautiful couple, our gorgeous bride, Sandra Navoa, and her very handsome groom, James McCready.
I, James McCready,
Ask you, Sandra Navoa,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better,
for
worse, for richer, and for poorer. I, Sandra Navoa,
ask you, James McCready,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better,
for worse.
This ring
symbolizes my commitment to love, honor, respect you, as long as we both shall live.
Well, this evening is amazing. And on behalf of the bride and groom, I want to thank everyone, parents, all the friends and family that are here, to thank everyone for being here in this special night. Sandra is my sister, and words are not enough to express how much I love her and cherish her. What she means to me, how much I admire and respect her. Sandra and Jimmy have waited a lifetime to find each other, fall in love, and to celebrate their love with the wedding of their dreams. Today will be perfect in every single way, a beautiful fairy tale, the theme of your day, to have love and laughter and to live your days happily ever after.
So, like any good father, James McCready was my first impression of what it meant to be a man. And as a kid, that idea was a lot simpler. It was about being tough, protecting others, making them laugh, watching football, chanting Jets, 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 Jets. But as I grew older, I got to see the parts of that I didn't understand when I was younger, that beneath that toughness, there was also softness and gentleness, being unafraid to show your love, and sometimes being unable to hide it. I found out that being a man was not about being perfect or never making mistakes, but about owning them when you do and about showing up above all else. And that's exactly what he's always done for me.
Don't forget friendship. It will always help you to cope. Add a sprinkle of faith and an abundance of hope. Remember your smile, and it's beautiful to see. It can brighten one's day. It can make you feel free. So my wish for both of you is you always have love and laughter, and I pray that you enjoy your happily ever after. Let today be the building block for all the years to come, and may your home be filled with your laughter, love for all the days of your life.
I'm lucky that 1,000 miles away where I live, I'm still closer to my father than anybody that I know. These are the reasons, these are the characteristics about him that I know were able to help him end up with a wonderful woman like Sandra. She's overflowing with love. As long as I've known her, she's put in every effort to make me part of their life together. There's nothing that shows that love that she has better than her two boys, who I am so lucky to get to call my brothers. It is an honor to welcome you to this crazy little weird club that's called the McCreadys, but I don't know anybody who could be more ready to take that on. So, to the bride, the groom, husband and wife, James and Sandra,